Hello DuranFam, today I have something that just came in the mail. It is the new Lego Sonic the Hedgehog set number 76991, the Tornado. And I'm going to be opening it and seeing what it has to offer. Okay, I got it opened. Whoa, boy. Okay. Is that one box left? Nope, no box. Okay, wait. Oh no, this is box 1. Okay, cool. Look at this man. Look at his face. It is so flat. And it looks so goofy. So this is bag 1 completed. The first thing I had to do was build this Lego Sonic figure that's winking, which is pretty cool. I really hope they make more Sonic figures with, like, exclusive expressions on them. Like ones of Sonic's upset face or sad face and stuff like that. Just like they do with actual Lego figures, you know? I really hope they start doing that with their figures. But, next thing I had to build was this weird cubby thing that Tills has. I don't know why he needs a drawer full of mints, but you know what? He loves mints. I'm not gonna judge him for that. Then I had to build this relaxation chair. I could use these, I could use this for so many different things. Although it's yellow, that's why Tills has it. So, anyways, and then I had to build these rings. And they're pretty cool. There's transparent pieces, so it gives the illusion that they're floating. Although it doesn't look like they're floating, because transparent pieces aren't very transparent. Although I guess, how would I build it if I didn't know where the pieces were, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm talking too much, so let's move on to the Buzz Bomber. That's right, this is the first brick-built Buzz Bomber. Yeah, pretty flat-headed. I like the jets, though. They're pretty cool. You know what? I'm not gonna judge Lego since, you know, they probably had limited bricks they could use for this guy. Anyways, moving on to bag number 2. so bag 2 basically focused on building half of the tornado. And also this amazing Tails figure. I can't believe LEGO finally made a Tails figure. After LEGO Dimensions Sonic Pack came out in, like, what, 2016? I don't remember. But, yeah, wow, this is a really nice looking figure. I think I actually played LEGO Dimensions at one point. I think I did play it, yeah. I remember playing Sonic Dimensions not Sonic Dimensions, LEGO Dimensions at one point. I can't speak English today, oh my gosh. Anyways, yeah, pretty cool figure. Glad to have him in my possession, because Tails is one of my favorites. And you can tell why. Because he's a little brother. And I'm a little brother, so, yeah. Anyways, moving on.
Till the battle's won! No one's gonna get something to us. Into each other we put our trust. Standing united after the fight. It's a brand new team. We have turned the page. Never knew how much I needed somebody to help me this way. All alone, we will never be. The two of us are holding the key. We see today a world we couldn't see. Before I say goodbye to you, one more last fist bump. Take off at the speed of sound. Bright lights, the colors all around. I'm running wild, living fast and free.
And with bag 3 done, the tornado is also done. Look at this thing. It's got Tails' logo on the back right there. And it's got the wings. You got the little place where Sonic can stand. Hold on. I can't. Sorry, guys. I can't hold the camera with 2 hands. With, like, 0 hands. And here we go. Look at that. Can stand on the plane just like in the games and in the movies. And okay, yeah. Now we're moving on to the final bag, bag 4. Let's go.
The colors feel so right. Just take my hand, we're gonna reach for the stars tonight. Tonight. Wake up, living day by day. Do what I want, and I'll do it my way. The world is flying right below my feet.
And with bag 4 complete, the Lego set is complete. Look at this. We got Tails flying the tornado. We got Sonic hanging on the side, winking at something. I don't know what he's winking at. But we also have this Buzz Bomber that's really... We have this flat-headed Buzz Bomber that's about to shoot Sonic, but Sonic's obviously gonna get him because that's how it works. Because he's undefeatable. Anyways, there's also a little flicky inside, so if you just want to take him out, look at that, a little flicky. Let me focus on it. Camera, please focus. Please focus. Please focus, please. Oh wait, hold on, I got something. Okay, you know what? Never mind. This is the flicky. If you can't see it, well then, too bad. Because I can't get it to, focus well. Anyways, let's just dump the KFC back in here. Stuff him in the little, Buzz Bomber, and now he's trapped forever. Anyways. Yep, because sometimes I like to avoid the enemies instead of breaking them, so yeah. Anyways, yeah, that is the entire set completed. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.